Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point, and today we are going to discussing about Selenium Class 8 Selenium Web Locators with example. Each web application having web elements. Web elements is nothing but tags which are presented HTML format. HTML body, TRs and TDs and table, TH and TA. These are the things like, and even web elements is nothing but button, input, label, paragraph. These all the things will come under web elements. These web elements we using that particular text box finding, we are using as a locator. Means each web element, it is identified the name using a locator, which is id, name, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, anything we can able to use that web locators, and that locators based upon that we can able to perform. And we can able to use, there are two things in Selenium a WebDriver. One is web find element, and second one is find elements. Find element is nothing but it will return a single object which is specific one, and web elements is a list of web elements. List of web elements means if you want to using a tag name as an input in that web application, how many web elements are presented, that all it will return into a single. If nothing is presented, it will give as a empty list, it will not throw any error. But find element, if it is not finding anything, it will throw an exception. And up to Selenium 3 we have 8 locators: ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, CSS selector, and XPath. But in Selenium 4, there are 5 more introduced. One is above, below, to left of, to right of, and nearby. These are the locators are we have. And one by one, we are going to check with example. Okay. First, ID. See, this is the URL I used as sample purpose. And here we are going to check one by one. Now I'm going to use here inspecting an element of finding this one. This is the input having a name and ID as the value, and also class is that locators are presented. First one we are going to see ID. Okay. If you use a control F, it will give us a two matching things. If you find one, it will able to do it. Okay. And once we run, the name also same, class name also same. We need to give only the name of class which is particular element. Okay. First I'm going to run this one, it will clear. And just I given see, I created first web driver, and then a system property where I located for my driver, then I initiated for the Chrome driver, then I'm doing maximization for that browser. Once maximization, I provided for URL. Driver.get is the one to provide the URL. Once it is taking the URL, it will load that entire web application. Then it will do that driver.find element. It will return a single element, web element. It will not return multiple. If you mention yes means it will ask you that list of tag name, which is the one it is presented. Okay. By that ID is the my locator. Then I pass the locator name. And the first one is clear because it is a text box. In case if there is any value that is presented, that it will remove. Then I provide a value as 10. Once I run this one, it will clear the text box value, this value 8900. Then it will gives a value as 10. See, now it is open. Now it is cleared and it is given 10. Correct? Now I'm going to name also same. Not required to again and display. But one more time I'll run. Same. This is the ID. There I use the locator as ID. Now here is a name. Name is my tag. This input text box having three locators, right? Any one we can able to use. One is name, id, class name. These three, any one we can able to use, we can able to run. It is clear and it is given 20. Class name, just by that class name and which is the name it is presented, that class name we need to provide. And second, fourth one is css selector. Css selector is basically comparing to id or xpath anything. Selector is the faster to getting the value, because it is given, it is take the hash and it will take as a id name, which is the locator. Now this is the one it is presented. Input is a web element. In that web element there are three locators. Any one it should be a unique, it must be presented. That unique value we need to present with the hash. Then it will take and it will find that element in a very fast. Hash that my I given as this id name cd, this one. Then it will take and it will run. That it is given, correct, right? And link text, link text is nothing but a link which is hyperlinks. Okay, hyperlinks, this is the links, right? If I'm going to inspecting this element, it will show as a tag name as a, it is a hyperlink. Okay, the link, it is presented once you click it will navigate into another page. That all the things we can able to call as hyperlinks. Even we can able to see in the google, once you google search, right? Here also we can able to see the names: Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Hindi, Urdu. These are the languages that also that all are come under hyperlinks. This is also one hyperlink. Okay, I choose this one as a hyperlink. Okay, finding for the link text. Once I given entire name of this, it will find first all the name, what all the things are presented. Based upon the, in case in the web application only one link text name is presented, in that web application it will immediately click. In case if there is no, like multiple names are presented, it will not like which one it need to be find, right? But find that find driver dot find element, it will click which is the one it is coming first. Means you can see, imagine, uh, now first element having name, second one also same, third also same name. Means like a, 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 all are common names. Okay, three names are presented. Once my driver dot find element once initiated, it will finding the one is like three elements are presented, then it will choose first one as a select, then it will close. Now it will link text. Once I click, it will open another link. First, it will open that w.calculator.net. Then it will open. You can able to see the URL is also change. Correct. Now partial link text. Partial link text means here link text I given complete name, right? Now I'm going to take off of the name, then it will take that name reference and it will based upon that it will link click partial link text is a web locator. See again it is clicked, correct? The page is came. Now XPath. XPath is nothing but we need to create a XPath and the input ID and which is the name. This is the X path. We can able to find here also. Now see, this is the input, right? Now double slash input, and this is the name. This is the ID it is presented. We can use anything, and braces at the rate ID equal to 1, and you can able to pass. It will indicate this is the one highlighted, correct? One is highlighted, and we can, without passing input also, we can able to pass star symbol, and also it will find the same. Star, it is like a unique, any value it will take. If you are not declaring input, in case this value ID equal to some one, it is a paragraph, then it will find using star. Like that it will goes and it will take. Like this we need to declare as a X path. Now below, here is the below one, how it is goes, right? Now I'll open this one first. It will use below a tags is basically how, right? Email ID is presented. Using the email ID, the password field I need to fill using the tag name. That way we can able to fill without using again a password, text box, xpath or ID or name, anything. Without using that, we can able to use tag name, and which is the below one is presented. Based upon that, we can able to do it. Now this is my application ORGHRM, and here what I want to do, this is the email one, correct? In this email one, I want to fill the password value. Then I need to take XPath for this button. First one means username, then I need to use the tag name, which is the password tag name. Then we need to run. Now here I used like that only. Web element I declared email equal to driver dot find element by dot id, and text username is the one, email id name, okay, locator name. Then I declare as a web element another one password. Here what I done, with a given by dot tag name, by dot tag name, which is the tag it is indicated. Dot below, this is the one it will indicate where it is below. After email, after email text box, it is presented password button, sorry, text box, that it will take. This is the one, and send keys I used, and I pass the value. You can able to see it will pass a value admin 1234. The value is presented, correct? Above means same like that only. We need to pass password field, and the password field above one, which is the text box or button or radio button, which one it is presented. Based upon that, we need to provide as a tag as a dot above. This is the one, using that locator it will take it the value. We can able to see admin. Here it is displayed, correct? Now we can able to go to left of. To left of means this is the demo application, another one, to showing exact. See now testing SAP, right? These are two links we can able to click. Okay. To left of SAP XPath I'm going to take, which is the value it is presented, the SAP one, and which is the left is presented value. That value it will click. Okay. For that I took this XPath to left of anchor tag contains this all the path it will take SAP. It is highlighted, right? Once it is highlighted, you can able to see SAP is highlighted. Then next tag is a to left. That link web element value I passed here. It's a link, right? That's why I given as click. If it is clicking, it will give that content as text. It will load text, testing related information. See, testing related information it is opened. To write off also same. I taken as testing is the one, which is the one it is present the right side of the testing. Then that value I need to click using to write off tag. We can able to see here also the name it will change SAP Training Hub. Okay, and final one is nearby. This is nearby also very clear. Like see, nearby is nothing but any value. See, now I'm going to take as a password one. Okay, is a label, which is the one nearby it is presented, but text box. This value, I don't want to take this one. I want to take a password label value, and I want to click enter this text box. Okay, this is the one near it will take. Maximum is 30 pixel it is presented. How much it is presented it's not a mandatory, but it will click, but it is a nearby it should be presented like this. If it is present like this it will click. I took the text password one and given the password value. Tag name as a near. This is the tag we can able to use. We can enter a value. Enter. Correct. This way we can able to achieve. That's all about this video. If you like this video, please like my video. Please share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.